Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of Netflix and you will click here in this window. After that, in this page, you will click on first app and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.